The cord is a 2-wire 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the lower handle cover. Now I have access to the cord connections. I'll go ahead and remove the 2 wires where they connect to the circuit board. The black wire has a protective sheath on it, and I'll go ahead and remove that. Now remove the 2 screws that secure the cord clamp. And I'll remove the cord clamp itself. With the clamp removed, I can lift the cord away from the housing. And I'll remove the cord protector. Now I can install the new cord. First, I'll reinstall the cord protector. I'll slide the protective sheath back onto the black wire. Now I can resecure the cord to the motor housing. As I do this, I want to make sure that I align the cord protector with the housing. I'll resecure the cord with the cord clamp. Now I can reconnect the wires. I'll start with the black wire. And then the white. And then I'll tuck the wires back into the housing. I want to make sure that the wires aren't rubbing against the speed control wheel. Now I'll reassemble the housings. I'll start by reinstalling the protective film. It goes around the brush holders. Then the wings. And now the lower cover. and I'll secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.